Here I have TCL 306, and today I'm going to show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So firstly, let's open settings, then go to the system section, languages and input, virtual keyboard, Gboard, languages, add keyword. Here you can see the whole list of the available keyboard languages. As you can see, it's enormous. Let's pick, for example, Greek language. Tap done. And now let's try to write down something in Greek language. And as you can see, now I have Greek layout here on my keyboard. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.